Azerbaijani President. No serious measures were taken by the police and security forces of Iran. The terrorist was neutralized as a result of the heroism of another security employee of the embassy, and thus the attack of the armed person on other employees of the embassy and their family members was prevented, said President Ilham Aliyev as he received Minister of National Education of Republic of Turkey, Mahmut Oza, and a group of members of the Grand National Assembly of Turkey, GNAT, in the format of a video conference. The head of state pointed out that this terrorist act was thoroughly investigated by Azerbaijan. President Ilham Aliyev underlined that despite the fact that the process of the terrorist act committed by that person in the building of the embassy took a long time, no serious measures were taken by the police and security forces of Iran. The attack on the Azerbaijani embassy in Iran caused diplomatic damage to the already tense Azerbaijani-Iranian relations. Iranian ambassador to Baku, Sayed Abbas Mousavi, was summoned to the Azerbaijani Foreign Ministry, where he was told about the strong condemnation of the armed attacks on the Azerbaijani embassy in Tehran and the inadmissibility of such acts against diplomatic missions. The country in which the mission is located is responsible for protecting it and ensuring the safety of its staff on the basis of the Vienna Convention on Diplomatic Relations. The Iranian authorities should prosecute the perpetrator of the attack as soon as possible, conduct a comprehensive investigation of the terror attack, identify and punish others involved in the organization and commission of the terror attack. Following the terrorist attack in the Azerbaijani embassy in Tehran, the diplomatic missions of several Western countries might evacuate their employees from Iran, according to media reports. This is because Iran cannot guarantee the security of foreign embassies on its territory. Azerbaijan has already evacuated the employees of its mission in Tehran.